Hey there, in this video we have the January unboxing of Gambettes Box with stockings and OnThatAss package with a man boxer short. So let's go! Hello everyone, Anna here, and this is my YouTube channel about unboxing. On this channel I am unboxing goodie boxes, advent calendars, and for example today it will be a box with stockings. This one is from France. The subscription costs 16 euro, and I already noticed on their website that it's not only in English and French, it's also in Dutch. So they really tried to penetrate the Dutch market. So you have description of everything in the box, on the box. Here we have stockings of 50 den, and they're called Bad Girl, but in sense of bad as where you sleep, so Bad Girl. Oh, the pattern, it looks very nice. Okay, it's black scale pattern tights. I somehow suspect that the other ones are just plain. They're 70 den and black body shaping tights. So yes, they should be just plain black. And maybe these are those tights which should make you smaller, which supposed to make all your skin and muscles hide, so you become more slim. So that was very quick. That was it for the Gambettes box. Oh, and by the way, do you remember in the last video there were stockings which were broken? I was very upset, so I contacted the Gambettes Box group and I've received them yesterday, so I am happy again. Now let's open man boxer short OnThatAss. It's called Sukaj, the theme of this package, and it says become one with the power Sukaj. Untamed, colorful and stylish, put on these boxer shorts and feel more confident than ever before. We see some theme of red, for sure there would be red, some black. You see tigers with yellow and blue colors, maybe some yellow and blue. It seems like I was totally wrong. There is no red. But there are those tigers which are blue and yellow. And there are tigers of some other colors. Green. Yeah, green. I see only green. I wouldn't say that they are so screaming that you will immediately become super confident. They look quite calm to me. I don't know about my man, but to me, yeah, not my favorite boxer short, but they are not ugly either. Maybe a bit ugly. I really don't like the pattern. Okay. Not the best month for the boxer shorts, but they're not mine. Well, I will see you in my next video, so don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. And yeah, have a good day or night.